No. Oh, there's a little bit of sun right here. Oh, we get the extra glow today. What's up, Team T, baby? I can't say. I got a special guest today, but she's not. She is not ready to be on camera. So my mother is gonna. You're not being shown. My mother is not gonna be shown because she's shy bones. I don't know where she got it from. But we have 3 different outfits today from Shein haul. So the first one I already have on, and my mother is going to be my side judge over there. And yes, she is my mother, so who knows what she'll say. But this is the first one.
That's really cute.
Okay, so these tops I just don't get because they're so small. Like, I ordered a bigger size this time, and if I lift up my arms, there's gonna be a problem. So I can't lift up my arms, but it has the 3 little buttons. Why are you laughing? And then it has the little bow tie.
That's really cute.
So what do you give it, Mother?
I really like that. For what, 1 to 10?
1 to 20.
Oh, okay.
No, 1 to 10.
I give it a 10.
10?
Mm-hmm.
Mother says 10. What do y'all think? Okay. Next.
Oh, that's...
No, he has to ruin the video. Okay.
Oh, that's really cute.
We got number 2. This one has a little bow. And in the back, it's the stretchy material. And these little summer shorts, so I can do things.
I like that.
Okay?
A
10.
10.
We got it. We got it.
They're all going to be 10s.
There's only one more. I really like this one. This fabric. This fabric is my favorite. Yeah, this top definitely fits better. It succors the itty bitty titty committee. Okay.
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 You're gonna fix the tie.
What time? Oh. Stand by, Mother. Stand by. So we got a cute little summer outfit for when it gets cold. It's squat proof too and torque proof. It's a really nice material. Here I ripped it a little bit when I put it on. What do you think about this one, Mother? Matching set. It's very comfortable. You can borrow it. I like it. I like it.
It won't look like that on me.
Alright, now I will bring out the prize.
No. You want me to put my boot up? Boot up.
Boot it, boot it, boot it, boot it. Boot it, boot it. Okay, so this was the last and final outfits.
What can you do with the sleeves?
I
Can they go up or
love
down?
the sleeves. It's too hot right now. It's like 90 degrees in my house.
Hey.
I can't show my mother. She broke her toe, her big toe. So she got a boot on. Oh yeah, look, show the boot. Yep, Mother got a boot. So that's why she's being shy right now.
Yeah.
But these are the 3 outfits that you must try for summertime, wintertime, all the time. And I will have all the links in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in the next video. You have anything to say, Mother? We love you, and goodbye.